Hi guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. So as the title suggests, today's video is going to be my room tour. A lot of you have been asking me to do this and I personally wanted to for a while. So the room that you've seen in my older videos which had like a lot of pink, that's my old room, and now I've shifted to a new room which has more space. So there's a lot of closet space, the room is big and there's a balcony. So yes, come on in. So this is my room. I'm going to take you to every single section and show it to you one by one so you know what is where exactly. So I'm starting out with my dressing section. So this is my dressing table, and now I know it looks like there's a lot of products, but I know exactly what is where. So here I have my face products, here all the body and fragrances, and here all the hair stuff. So when I'm standing here, I can quickly reach out for the face stuff because I use that the most. So I have a hand cream, some moisturizer, sunscreen, oils, and of course makeup remover. And on top I have all of my body lotions, body oils, fragrances, perfumes, room freshener, body butter. And here I have all of my hair stuff. So there's oil, there's a conditioner, there's a spray, there's serums, and here I just have some combs. So usually I have a basket here which has like stuff dumped in, but since I had to clean up my room for the shoot, I cleaned that up. So in these drawers you'll find again some regular stuff. In this there are a lot of clips, rubber bands, cotton pads, and you know, those regular things. And in this one we find all of my hair stuff. So my straightener, my dryer, all of my hair bands and hair stuff basically is here. And this one to just has some like crafty junk, you know, stuffed in. I have no idea what's there in it. Now I'm going to show you guys my cupboards which are right here. So there are 4 cupboards in my room, and this one is not mine. It has all of my mom's and dad's extra stuff kept. So stuff like my dad's suit and you know, all sweatery clothes which you don't need often, all that is dumped here. So I'm going to show you my first cupboard and what all I have in that. So this is my most cluttered cupboard which has a lot of things. So on this side of the cupboard you can see all of my watches and some small belts. And here I have a lot of dresses, maxis, and like long tops and long stuff, and a lot of jackets that I don't wear most often. And then I have some like sequency embellished stuff. The things which I wear only occasionally is in this cupboard. And on this side you'll find a lot of dresses, jumpsuits that I wear like on a regular basis, and I've categorized them in a way that it's easy for me to reach out to them. So if I want to wear like a casual dress, I can see the front section. So this is a casual dress, and this hanger will have like 2-3 casual dresses. So the same way I've arranged everything, and like there are jumpsuits here. So this hanger has only jumpsuits, this one has all of my scarves and dupattas, and this one again has some jackets. So it's categorized in that way. So depending on where I'm going or what I want to wear, it's easy for me to grab for them. Here you'll find all of my bags which I'll get to just in a minute. Here are all of my Indian clothes. I got these bags and put them inside because you know, Indian clothes get dirty very easily. And that one has all of my kurtis, so all the heavy kurtis which I wear for like weddings and functions are there in that. And in these two I have all of my Indian clothes, like heavy stuff, lighter stuff, basically stuff that I don't wear very regularly but I do need them. Now I'm going to show you my bag drawer. So this drawer has all of my bigger bags. So my backpack, some big handbags, totes, and all of my big bags which I require for shoots and to carry more stuff. I keep them in here. So every time I have a shoot or I want to carry my laptop and a lot of things, I reach out for this drawer because this has only my bigger bags and stuff that I need like while I'm traveling and stuff. So this cupboard is done. Now I'm going to show you my second cupboard. So this is like much more organized than that and has lesser stuff. So on this side you'll find all of my t-shirts and shirts. So the way I dress up is I think about the style that I want to wear, if I want to wear a t-shirt or a top or a crop top or whatever. So I've categorized my cupboard in that way. So this one has all of my t-shirts and shirts as I mentioned. And on this side you'll find all of my crop tops and strappy stuffs, razor bags, things that I don't wear very often. I put them all here. And then I have stuff like these which you know keeps falling off the hangers. I've just folded them and hung them here. And on the bottom you'll find all of my pants. So here I have some plazos and trousers. Here again I have some plazos and trousers. And at the back, those 2 racks, everything has plazos and you know, loose pants, things that are not fitted. So behind this rack is a rack that you can't see, and that has all of my jeans. And behind that rack again, a rack that you can't see has all of my kurtis. So now I'm going to take you through all the drawers. So this drawer has all of my clutches and wallets, so things that are small, and then there are some belts and some caps. And in this drawer you'll find all of my swim stuff. I know it's messy, but yeah, that's how it is. So all of my swimwear is here. And in this drawer I have all of my stockings, again things that I don't wear very often. And then this drawer finally, which has all of my leggings and tracksuits. So there are tracksuits on this rack and leggings here, again tracksuits here and leggings here. So the third cupboard, as I mentioned, is not mine. I'm going to take it to the fourth cupboard. So this is my fourth cupboard. There is not much space. I can't go in and show. So on this side, you'll find all of my casual tops and stuff that I wear a lot more often. So basic tops, nothing like all my t-shirts and shirts are there. Apart from that, whatever tops I have, like off shoulders, cold shoulders, and other things are here. And on this side, you'll find all of my jackets and full sleeves. So here I have all of my full sleeve tops. And here, really dressy stuff like proper party wear, stuff that has sequins and dramatic sleeves and stuff. So here are all of my dressy stuff. And in this drawer you'll find all of my slings and clutches and everything. So in this drawer I have all of my slings, so they've arranged in such a way that I can easily reach out for them. And then I have some smaller ones like this robo and a cupcake and some funky shapes that I keep in the middle, like to fill the space. And then I have my rest of my sling bags here, again arranged from small to big, so it's easy for me to grab to them. And then in the bottom are all of my dresses, skirts and maxis. So these dresses are the ones that I don't wear the most often because they're very like party wear, dressy. And there you find all of my maxis again that I don't wear on a very regular basis. The regular ones are in my first cupboard. And in the bottom cover you'll find all of my shorts and skirts, again things that I don't wear the most often. So yeah, that's about this cupboard. So this is one of my bedside drawers, which is always very cluttered. So in this one you'll find everything that I possibly do not need before bed. And you'll find my chargers, headphones, my camera. And in this one you'll find some magazines and some candles that I light every night before I sleep. My AC remote and etc. stuff. And here is my bed, of course. And now coming to this side of my room. So here I have all of my accessories kept. So in these two drawers and in this cupboard I have all of my accessories. And here is a basket of accessories that I recently used and I'm just too lazy to put them inside. So in this drawer you will find all of my bracelets alone. So I put them in boxes like these so that they are a little more organized and I know where is what. So this drawer has only my bracelets and this one has all of my earrings. So this bigger box has all the bigger earrings, and then there's a smaller box and there's another box which is much smaller. So everything is kept in proper boxes so I know where everything is kept. And now coming to this cupboard, here you can find all of my neck pieces. So in this one you'll find like all of my long chains and the longer stuff. And in this one you'll find all of my shorter chains, my choker, some pearl neck pieces. And again in this one you'll find all of my bigger neck pieces which need more space. And then on this table you'll find my college bag which has all of my college stuff, my blanket. And this is my balcony which I'm going to show to you guys. And it might look a little too bright on camera, but I'm just going to quickly show it. That's my big ass balcony. Just open it. So this is a basic view of my road and my locality, and I'm not going to show you more of this. Let's just go back inside the room. So this is sort of my study table which I use for anything apart than studying. So here you'll find all of my college submissions and stuff. Again some college stuff and some extra stuff and all of my paints and crafty things here. And here you'll find again emergency stuff like sellotapes, blades, pencils and Fevicol and stuff. And the first three drawers are filled with stationery. And this drawer is the one that I'm most excited to show to you guys, which is my nail drawer, which is a huge mess. But yeah, this is my nail polish collection. So all of my nail paints are here, and then I have like manicure stuff and my nail polish remover and some nail art stuff. And here's my laptop, my extension cable with a zillion chargers, my TV which I hardly ever use. And in this drawer you'll find all of my sunglasses and phone covers and small things that I don't have space to put into. In the bottom ones you'll find like my bed sheets and some college stuff, again submissions that I don't need like on a regular basis. And finally coming to the last part in my room, which is my sewing table. So this is a industrial sewing machine, very heavy duty, very big, and this box has all of my stitching stuff, extra supplies. So now we are going to go to my bathroom and I'm going to show you my washroom. Come on. So now we're going to go inside my bathroom. So here you will find all of my everyday kind of stuff, my face washes, my masks, another mask and some scrubs. And here's my wash basin area. And here you will find my cupboard which has all of my everyday stuff. So there are towels here, there's some pajamas, my everyday jeans, my night clothes. And in this cupboard you'll find all of my girl stuff, all my masks again, and some oils and some pads and extra stuff. And here is my bathroom, which has a washing machine also. So here are all of my bath stuff. I've kept all of my hair stuff first and then my body stuff. And here is some extra stuff, soap, shower and other bathroom things. Now coming to the most exciting section, again very excited to show you guys, is my shoe collection. So these two racks has all of my shoes and it's outside my room. So this rack has all of my heels. I'm just going to show them to you guys. So again a section of heels here, again the bigger pointier ones on top. In this one you have all the pointy ones and some boots and some platforms. And in the last one you have a mix of wedges and pointy shoes. And this one has all of my flats, sandals and things like those. So I've kept them one next to the other. I don't like keeping it over top, otherwise your slippers get ruined. And yeah, that's about it. So that was my room tour, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. All the links are given in the bottom bar. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.